Hello everyone, good time, I hope you are well. We are at your service. In this video, we are going to draw this exercise for you in the NX Rebzare software. Well, always when you are given a drawing of something or you want to work on it, keep this in mind so that you choose the right strategy for drawing it. We at Phil always say, for example, that the entire shape doesn't need to be roasted. In many cases, you can roast one, or for example, a quarter or a half or the other halves. You can, for example, mirror it, you can pattern it. These are all the same. You have to see what strategy you can use to roast it more easily. This shape that we're looking at now has two axes of symmetry. One axis is this, and the other is this. So these two axes of symmetry are, I can draw a quarter, then mirror it twice and get the whole shape. We'll go with the same strategy. To start, we'll consider this as a coordinate travel. So I'll open NX, check the units. The units are in millimeters. Open a millimeter model and draw a sketch on the screen, for example, front plane. So let's go draw it. A bow came like this, a line down. How much is the arc of the bow? Yes, 20. Well, let's do this. A bow came like this. Here you brought your line down and closed it. Yes, this line is tangent to the top, and this line itself is vertical. Now, why did this arc fall off? Let me delete it and move it around. Let's bring this down a little bit. From here to this to this. So this and this will be connected together. Then what about Ibad? How much was Arash? Yes, 20 and center to center, 140 divided by 2. So this Arash is 20. Well, the first dimension always scales, so keep that in mind. Yeah. The distance from the center to the bottom was 140, which means 140 divided by 2 is 70. All right, moving on to the next step, we need to create another arc that is larger than the one we've drawn. With an offset of 10 millimeters, we can apply the offset command, which will be explained in future videos. I can either choose it or we can draw it ourselves, but let's check the offset. I'm selecting the offset to be non-symmetrical, persistent relation, and not converted. I'm setting it to go outward, for example. I'll set it to 10. This Arash is actually the same RC that you see here. Well, don't look too big. So what's the next step? The next step is to draw this circle. Why a circle? Why not draw the arc? Always start with shapes that have a defined center and larger dimensions first, and then draw the connecting arcs. It's better this way. For example, I don't know where the center of this arc is. I don't have its coordinates. But this circle has all its coordinates defined. We have a radius of 20 and another dimension of 87 for the circle here. From its center to the center of this one, we have a distance of 20. And from here to here, we have a distance of 87. What's its diameter? It's 30 millimeters. So let's set that to 30. Now I'll draw another circle with the same center. Yeah, how much is this? Looking at the drawing, it's 50, or the diameter is considered to be 50. Well, this is it. The next step is to draw this arc, which is 80. Since I don't know where its center is, but I have the endpoints, I'm using the 3-point method. I'm connecting this to that and creating the arc. Now this arc is tangent to this one, and I'll make it tangent to this one too. What's the radius? The radius is 80. Yeah, 80. All right, that's it. Now, the sketch is fully defined, which is very important to me. Well, I'll look at this, sir. What's this on the bow? Look, this bow, I don't have the bottom circle yet to look at it, so I'll look at it first. I'll look at it. He says, what exactly do you want to mirror? I respond by pointing out specific items, saying, I want to mirror this particular object and also that one over there. Please make sure to connect them properly. Be cautious and ensure that you mirror it accurately with this item and that 1. Maintaining the alignment and symmetry as intended. It's crucial to handle them with care to avoid any mistakes or misalignments during the process. Then I'll make this tangent to that. Now, how much is this? 82? Well, the upper one had a radius of 80. Great, we can make them tangent or excuse me, we can make these two equal. I'll make these two equal. Now I've drawn this and I can draw this one. I won't draw this one. I'll draw a center line and mirror it. Look, I'm saying to mirror this line relative to this one. Yes, now this is done. Now what I need to do is mirror the entire shape again. It's in connected mode, so I'll select all of them. Yes, I won't select the dashed line. I'll hold down the shift key to deselect it. Look at this line of love. It is, I say mirror it. This is relative to this. Yeah, yeah. Yes, now this is done. Yeah, that's enough. What should I do? I just need to mirror my entire form again. It's connected. I'll select everything. Yes. I don't select the dashed line. I hold down shift and deselect it again. And I'm going to mirror these about this axis, and this is the shape that we were going to practice. In fact, we're going to have this shape that we were going to practice. 87 is alt. I'm going to go into the view and increase the text size. In fact, 70 here and 20 here are also alt. What? Then center to center. This will definitely be a block. You can check this. Next, a block. And we wouldn't have given that 100 either, and it would still be fully defined. Look, the sketch is fully defined. I hope this tutorial video has been helpful for you, and wherever you are, stay awesome and top-notch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until the next video, take care.